Hey, this is Eric with another video review. This is for a full-size mattress. So we have our frame over here all cleaned up and ready to go. The mattress comes in this box and it is under pressure, so I got to cut the box away and then it should unroll. So we'll do that and see how this goes, because there's no way you can slip this out of the box. So cut the box. Be careful not to cut the mattress. So it looks like we have some plastic holding this together. Oh, here we go. There's actually a sticker. A big orange sticker that says, "Contents under pressure, use caution when cutting tape." So if this is anything like another one I've had, this is going to pop. That. Expanding. Pull all this other stuff off. Alright. This bag is not a toy. We have some instructions here. And lots of advertisements, more advertisements, and actually how to unpack your spring mattress. So they give you all these instructions how to unpack it, but you have to unpack it to get to the instructions. So, alright, roll out compressed mattress on a clean flat surface, cut carefully the clear plastic bag along the edges, and it'll start decompressing. Allow the bed to fully recover. It says 24 to 48 hours now. Granted, I had a similar mattress also from the same company, and after a week it did not really decompress that much. So they just don't want you to jump on it right away. So let's cut the plastic. This is supposed to be a 6-inch mattress, which looks awfully small comparatively, because we're used to, much larger mattresses plus a box spring. This is a Zinus frame, so you don't need a box spring for this. Yeah, so here's our mattress. And this is actually pretty firm. Alright, just taking a look here. So I am about 180 pounds. And of course. So yeah. If it's, this is, I believe, memory foam, so as you sleep on it overnight, it'll start to sink in where your body's laying, and then when you get up in the morning, it'll expand again. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If so.